As night 11 unfolded, out came the stars, so too the face paint. Defending champion Roger Federer and 2008 champ Novak Djokovic clashed for the first spot in the final. The last time the pair met here in a semi-final was back in 2008, a match the Serbian won on the way to clinching his one and only Grand Slam title. Dubbed the meeting of the Master and the Joker, Djokovic certainly wasn't fooling around. A tight opening set saw neither drop serve. Ana Ivanovic, one of the nervous observers, as her Hopman Cup partner outclassed a sluggish Federer to win the first set in a tiebreak. The second set saw the 16-time Grand Slam champ back to his best. Down 2-1, a change of shirt seemed to do the trick, although it hardly earned the same sort of applause as Nadal. Federer finally hit his stride and hit the lead, much to the delight of his family. Djokovic's desperation to stay in the set clear. It prompted a change of shoes and a change of momentum, as the 23-year-old fought back from 5-2 down to win the set 7-5.
Second set, Djokovic. 7-5.
The number 3 kept his nose in front with an early break in the third, and as he looked to seal victory in straight sets, Federer's weaker side took a battering. There was a faint glimmer the Fed Express wasn't out of steam just yet. He pulled the set back to 4-all, but another break of serve handed Djokovic the chance to seal the match. The 7-6, 7-5, 6-4 win put Federer's hopes of his 5th Oz Open crown on ice. For Djokovic, he'll be hoping this is a repeat of his run back in 08.
Novak Djokovic is the only Serbian man to win a Grand Slam title, and on Sunday night, he's got a chance to take another step to glory.